Good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to welcome you all today. Today, we'll be exploring the topic of product quality review. Our focus will be on ensuring compliance, maintaining consistency, and driving continuous improvement. This presentation will cover key aspects of quality management, best practices, and how we can achieve excellence in our processes. Let's get started and dive into how we can enhance our product quality together. Today, I want to highlight the importance of the Product Quality Review, or PQR, and its equivalent, the Annual Product Quality Review, or APQR. These are essential tools required by global regulatory agencies like the FDA, EMA, WHO, and PICS. Their main purpose is to ensure that our products stay compliant, consistent, and safe throughout their life cycle. Think of the PQR or APQR as a comprehensive health checkup for each pharmaceutical product. It's a periodic, in-depth assessment that covers everything from manufacturing processes and raw materials to in-process controls, finished product results, deviations, complaints, and stability data. Typically, this review happens once a year, providing a systematic evaluation of the product's performance over a defined period. The goal is to verify that the product continues to meet GMP requirements and maintains its quality over time. But beyond just compliance, the PQR helps us identify opportunities for continuous improvement, manage risks more effectively, and gain better control over our processes. Ultimately, it's a key element in lifecycle management, ensuring our products are safe and effective for patients throughout their entire life cycle. Let's take a closer look at some of the key frameworks and guidelines that underpin a robust pharmaceutical quality system. First, we have ICH Q10, which is essentially the global standard for a pharmaceutical quality system. It provides a comprehensive model for ensuring quality throughout the product lifecycle. Then there are the EU GMP guidelines, specifically Part I, Chapters 1 and 6, where the Production Quality Review, or PQR and APQR, are mandatory components. These reviews are crucial for continuous oversight and improvement. We also reference the WHO Technical Report Series, which offers international guidance to harmonize quality standards worldwide. And of course, the FDA provides guidance on the Annual Product Review, or APR, which is a structured review process to evaluate product performance and quality. Now, what are the key expectations across these standards? First, data-driven trends are essential, analyzing data to spot patterns or issues over time. Second, reviews need to be timely to catch problems early and stay compliant. Third, there's a strong emphasis on evidence of continual improvement, showing that we're always working to make our processes better. Corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA, are also central. They help us address issues effectively and prevent recurrence. All of these elements together ensure that our quality system isn't static, but constantly evolving to meet regulatory requirements, and most importantly, to safeguard product quality and patient safety. Now, let's talk about the core objectives of the Periodic Review Report, or PQR. First and foremost, ensuring ongoing product quality and performance is critical. We need to continuously monitor how our products are doing in the real world and make sure they meet the high standards we set. Next, identifying process variability and improvement opportunities is essential. By analyzing our processes, we can spot inconsistencies or deviations that might affect quality, and then find ways to enhance our operations. Verifying the consistency of manufacturing and control processes is also a key point. This means regularly checking that our processes remain stable over time, so we can confidently deliver reliable products. Detecting changes or trends that require attention helps us stay ahead of potential issues. If we notice shifts or patterns emerging, we can investigate and address them before they impact product quality. Finally, supporting regulatory compliance and audit readiness ensures that we stay aligned with industry standards and are prepared for inspections. All these objectives work together to maintain our commitment to excellence and continuous improvement across the organization. Let's take a closer look at Slide 5, which covers the core aspects of our batch manufacturing review. First, we focus on critical deviations and out-of-specification or out-of-trend trends, which help us identify any significant issues that could impact product quality. Monitoring these trends allows us to act proactively and ensure consistent manufacturing performance. Next, we evaluate change controls to assess how modifications in the process or materials might influence product quality and compliance. It's crucial that we thoroughly review these changes to maintain control and traceability. We also review stability data to confirm that our products remain within specifications throughout their shelf life, which supports our commitment to product efficacy and safety. Trend analysis of critical quality attributes, or CQAs, helps us understand how key attributes evolve over time and whether they stay within acceptable limits. This insight is vital for maintaining product consistency. Supplier and raw material performance are equally important, as raw material quality directly affects our process outcomes. Regular performance reviews ensure that suppliers meet our quality standards. We then look at yield variations and process capability, giving us a clear picture of how efficiently our processes operate and whether they are capable of consistently producing quality products. Complaint and recall analysis provide feedback from the field, highlighting any issues that might not have been caught earlier and helping us improve our overall quality system. Equipment and utilities impact assessments are necessary because equipment performance and utility stability can influence product quality and process reliability. We also review the effectiveness of corrective and preventive actions, or CAPAs, to ensure that issues identified are truly resolved and that similar problems are prevented in the future. Finally, we discuss the key components of the Product Quality Review, or PQR, which consolidates all these elements into a comprehensive overview, supporting continuous improvement and regulatory compliance. All these points tie back to our overall theme of maintaining rigorous oversight and continuous improvement in our manufacturing processes, ensuring that we deliver safe, effective products to our patients. Let's take a closer look at batch manufacturing and quality review. First, we track the number of batches manufactured, approved, and rejected. This gives us a clear picture of production efficiency and quality control. Next, we review any deviations that occurred during manufacturing and packaging, as these can impact the final product. We also consider in-process controls and test results, which help us ensure that each stage of production meets our quality standards. Moving on, we assess the final product's compliance with quality specifications, confirming that everything adheres to regulatory and internal standards. Additionally, we analyze trends in yield, rejects, and batch failures over time. Recognizing these patterns allows us to identify areas for improvement and prevent future issues. Overall, this comprehensive review process is vital for maintaining product quality and ensuring continuous improvement in our manufacturing process. Let's take a closer look at some of the key trends we observe in our data, starting with frequency and recurrence patterns. By analyzing how often issues occur and whether they tend to repeat, we can identify areas that need more focused attention. Next, the quality of root cause evaluation plays a crucial role. A thorough and accurate root cause analysis ensures that we address the underlying issues effectively, rather than just treating the symptoms. Following that, CAPA implementation and its effectiveness are vital. It's not enough to just put corrective and preventive actions in place. We need to verify that they truly resolve the problems and prevent future occurrences. Another important aspect is understanding the link between deviations and process robustness. When processes are stable and well-controlled, deviations tend to decrease. Conversely, patterns of deviations can signal weaknesses in our processes that require improvement. We also pay close attention to out-of-specification and out-of-trend patterns. These patterns often highlight areas where our processes may need refinement or tighter controls to prevent recurring issues. Finally, all of this ties together through the analysis of deviations, OOS/OOT data, and CAPA effectiveness. By systematically examining these elements, we gain insights into where we are excelling and where further improvements are necessary, ultimately supporting our goal of continuous process enhancement. Let's take a closer look at the stability trends across different batches. This involves monitoring how the product holds up over time, ensuring consistency and reliability. Shelf life verification plays a key role here, as it helps us confirm that the product remains effective and safe throughout its intended lifespan. It's also important to examine any changes in degradation patterns. Sometimes, we notice differences that could indicate a shift in stability, which might be due to various factors. That brings us to the impact of formulation, packaging, or process changes. They can all influence stability outcomes, so understanding these relationships is crucial. Finally, our stability studies review ties everything together. Regularly revisiting and analyzing this data ensures we're maintaining high standards and making informed decisions about product quality. Overall, this slide underscores how continuous stability monitoring is vital for delivering safe, effective products to our customers. Let's take a closer look at incoming material compliance trends. This involves monitoring how well our materials meet regulatory and quality standards as they arrive. Staying on top of this helps us catch any potential issues early and maintain consistent product quality. Next, we need to keep an eye on supplier qualification and requalification status. Ensuring our suppliers meet our criteria initially, and then requalifying them periodically, is crucial for maintaining a reliable supply chain. It helps us identify any shifts in performance or quality over time. Rejection rates, complaints, and change notifications are also key indicators. High rejection rates or frequent complaints can signal underlying issues with raw materials or processes. Change notifications alert us to modifications in materials or processes that might impact quality, so managing these proactively is vital. Another important aspect is understanding the impact of variability in critical raw materials. Variability can affect everything from product performance to compliance. Recognizing and controlling this variability ensures we deliver consistent quality to our customers. Finally, our supplier and material quality evaluation ties all these elements together. Regular assessments allow us to verify that our suppliers continue to meet our standards and that the materials supplied remain reliable. Overall, these trends and evaluations are fundamental to our ongoing quality assurance efforts, helping us anticipate challenges and maintain the integrity of our products. Let's take a closer look at CQA trend analysis. This involves examining how our critical quality attributes evolve over time, helping us spot patterns or shifts that might indicate potential issues. Monitoring CPP and CMA is essential because these metrics give us real-time insights into process stability and consistency. By keeping an eye on process capability indices like CP and CPK, we can assess how well our processes meet specifications and identify areas that need adjustment. This step is crucial for maintaining high quality and reducing variability. Identifying improvement opportunities naturally follows from this analysis. By recognizing where gaps or inconsistencies exist, we can target specific actions to enhance our processes. Lastly, process and quality trending isn't just about data collection. It's about understanding the overall performance over time. These trends help us make informed decisions, prioritize improvements, and ensure continuous quality enhancement. All of these points connect back to our overarching goal: achieving consistent, high-quality products through proactive monitoring and continuous improvement. Let's take a closer look at complaint analysis, which involves examining the frequency, severity, and root causes of the issues reported. This helps us identify patterns and prioritize areas for improvement. Moving on, understanding our recall history and the lessons we've learned from past recalls is crucial. It not only helps prevent future incidents, but also improves our response strategies. We also need to stay vigilant with field alerts and regulatory reporting, ensuring we comply with all requirements and communicate effectively with authorities and customers. Linking this information with manufacturing and quality data allows us to gain a comprehensive view of our processes and pinpoint where problems originate. Ultimately, complaints, recalls, and market feedback are interconnected. They serve as vital indicators of product performance and customer satisfaction. By analyzing these elements together, we can enhance our overall quality management and build greater trust with our customers. Now, let's look at some QRM-driven recommendations that can truly make a difference. First, we emphasize the importance of cross-functional review and action planning. By bringing together different teams, we can identify issues more effectively and develop comprehensive strategies to address them. Next, we focus on implementing preventive actions to reduce variability. This proactive approach helps us minimize fluctuations before they impact our quality or efficiency. Enhancing product quality and process robustness is also key. When our processes are more reliable, we naturally improve the overall quality of our products. Supporting operational excellence ties everything together. By continuously refining our operations, we build a culture of high performance. And finally, the foundation of all these efforts is continuous improvement and risk management. Staying vigilant and committed to ongoing progress ensures we can adapt and sustain these improvements over time. Altogether, these recommendations form a cohesive strategy that aligns well with our overall goal of delivering superior quality and operational excellence through a disciplined, risk-aware approach. Now, let's take a closer look at the structure of the final PQR. First, it's important to recognize that this document integrates cross-functional inputs from key departments such as QA, QC, production, R&D, and supply chain. Each of these areas plays a vital role in ensuring the PQR is comprehensive and accurate. Next, there is a review and approval workflow in place. This process helps us maintain control and ensure that the PQR undergoes the necessary checks before it's finalized. It's a critical step to uphold quality and compliance standards. We also have clear expectations around data integrity and traceability. These are fundamental because they ensure that all information within the PQR is reliable and can be traced back to its source. This transparency supports both internal quality assurance and external audits. Finally, the PQR report and documentation are the culmination of all these efforts. It's not just about compiling data, but about creating a clear, organized record that supports continuous improvement and regulatory compliance. Overall, this structure is designed to make the PQR a robust, trustworthy document that underpins our commitment to quality excellence. PQR, or the Product Quality Review, is not just a regulatory requirement. It's also a strategic tool that we use to enhance our quality systems. When we focus on PQR, we're actively driving product reliability, ensuring that our products consistently meet quality standards. It also helps us stay compliant with regulations, which is critical in our industry. Additionally, PQR supports continuous improvement by identifying areas where we can enhance processes and product quality over time. This makes PQR essential for audit readiness, because having thorough and well-maintained reviews means we're prepared for inspections at any time. Plus, it fosters a culture of quality excellence throughout our organization. Importantly, PQR strengthens the overall pharmaceutical quality system, or PQS, by providing a structured way to review and improve our processes. In conclusion, integrating PQR into our practices isn't just about meeting regulatory demands. It's about building a robust, proactive approach to quality that supports our mission and ensures the highest standards for our products. For further support, please contact us. We're here to help with any questions or additional information you might need. Don't hesitate to reach out. Your success is our priority. Thank you so much for your time and attention today.